Dhalimondesign. Today is at Wall Springs off in Palm Harbor. My trusty steed. He goes out to Tarpon Springs here. If you look closely, you can see fish. Probably why they don't have, that's why they have a no fishing sign. Wall Springs, which bubbles up from the upper Floridian aquifer. While walking around the spring looking down, one sees fish, crabs, and other marine life. Ducks are searching for food, and watching it all are people taking postcard-worthy photos. The water is bluish-green color, and the reflections from the trees and foliage provide a wonderful, colorful delight. When I left there, I went on a little photo hunt, riding my bicycle through the park, different path, but I came across these sculptured fish. I looked it up. It's from chrisfennell. Way to ruin a good picture, dude. Anyway, well, now that I'm ready to take some photos, some Instagram shots. These are a couple of shots I acquired using a drone. As we see, this island is mostly peninsular. Very beautiful. Today the water is a little shallow. Looks like someone can go wading in it, but not me. At least we don't see any gators from up here, and that's good. Beautiful waterfront homes. Nice horizon. It's another peninsula out there. Wow, can you imagine living there? It's like awesome. And all this within a park within walking distance. Maybe driving distance since you have the water between you and it. This is an Instagram photo, right? Yeah, so I'll put that on there. This is another Instagram photo. Here we get a nice little pan of the park. It's so serene. The water's so blue, foliage so green. Don't you love Florida living? Instagram shot, you know it. This observation tower is astounding craftsmanship. Okay guys, make sure you subscribe so we can keep day tripping. See you on the next trip.